Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be my second retake, so all you're gonna need is glue, and you're gonna just want to unscrew your glue like I have. Just unscrew your glue and start dumping it in. Also gonna want to just dump it in like so. So once you've done all of that, I got a lot of glue in there. You want to add your Barbasol. You're going to need a lot more than that, but this is my second retake, so I just wanted to show you guys what to do. So now what you want to do is just stir this until combined well. This is how much shaving cream you're going to want. So just stir all the shaving cream into the glue. Make sure it is fully combined and into this nice creamy mixture. It won't take long to make. I'm almost there. I'm going to stir for a little while. Make sure there it does. Okay, so you're gonna have this kind of creamy texture. Here it is. I'll show you. You're gonna have this creamy texture a little bit, and it's gonna be kind of like that. Where you can tiny creamy peaks. And then what you want to do next is just grab your solution and start adding that slowly to the mixture. Now, guys, this is no borax, so. This is starting to work. As you can see, it's starting to combine, which is really exciting. What you need is just to start adding a ton in to your solution, which is great. And here it is starting to come together just quite a little bit more to get it. Okay, so as I was expecting, this is how it's going to turn out. Now, you're going to have some shaving cream on your hands. We're making a really fluffy slime, so that's why we added a lot of shaving cream, which is okay. So what you're going to do is you're just going to knead it until all of that goes away, and until it fully comes off the bowl and you can't do it anymore, which is not this case, but yet. So just keep on adding a little bit of eye contact solution. You don't need that much. I say like maybe a cup of it, or maybe less, like a half a cup. And that will probably do it, because this is it. So that will probably do it for now. Get it all off. Okay, now what you want to do is just start kneading it. And that was straight. Okay. Oh, goodness. Better.
I'm glad that you and not me.
What?
Okay, so what you want to do is just keep eating it until you have this consistency.
Sparkles, they make it with things in it.
Okay, so just
I'm going to put that stuff in here, so
make sure you have this kind of texture, and you might want to just start eating it.
Mom, can I have a paper towel?
As much as you can. Start adding some
Mom, can I have a paper?
eye contact solution.
Okay.
And what you just want to do is you just want to start kneading and kneading and kneading, and then just adding a little bit more to make sure that it never sticks, okay? So until it doesn't stick is what we want. Maybe start trying to get this off your fingers a little tiny bit. Swiping, yeah. So this slime recipe definitely does work. It's a tiny bit messy, but Once you get it, it will all come off your
solution?
hands. I'm using it right now. I'm gonna get it. It's all worth it because it will just fall off your hands when you're done, because it will start sticking to your slime. So just knead it in a bowl for now until it's non-sticky. That was probably a better idea. And it is very easy to do. This is very easy to do
It's a
actually.
very easy recipe.
Just start going like that. I want to show you guys. So what you want to do is just start poking it, flipping it into the solution like so. This is probably it. It does not stick to your hands. Mine are just a little bit messy from stirring it. So this is basically how you make slime. I'm glad you guys liked it. It's all white and it's nice and stringy. So leave it down and like what I should do next. Bye.